In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search for clients that you have in your database. There are multiple ways to do this. We are currently on the client page, and if you're tuning in from our previous videos, we are on the client page on the test client that we just created with file number 1000. And so we'll go to this left sidebar here, and it says search, and we can choose two different options here. We can go to clients quick, just like a quick search. It pops up on page, and so you can see that we have a few clients here that we can search for. If we wanted to search for a very specific one, we just type it into this file number field. You can also search by last name and first name on the quick search. This search is case sensitive, in case you didn't know. Make sure that you pay attention to your search field. Okay, there's different ways to do it. We're going to close this out. We're going to go click on existing clients. And on the existing client search page, you can search by last name, first name, a number, file location, and file status. And we have these options here. Clicking on any of these rows will allow you to navigate in a new page to the client page that you're looking for. And so we have this file number 1000 we're going to open up. It'll open up in another tab, and there it is. There is also one more option for searching, and it's just another location for the client search button. So we'll go back to dashboard, and then under existing, we'll go to search, and that'll take us right back to the client search page that we were on before. All right, and so that ends this video tutorial, and have a great day.